It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2021 F-150 XLT PowerBoost. It is a full hybrid, so it has a 3.5 liter V6 engine, a 10-speed automatic transmission where this special Ford motor, 35 kilowatt hour motor lives, and you have a 1.5 kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery. So this vehicle does not need to be plugged in, but it goes from gas, fuel, to electric power with the battery and the motor, and so this propels the vehicle and saves you on fuel. So this is a great thing. It is carbonized gray in the exterior with black sport cloth interior seating for 5 and 4 doors with a 5.5 foot box. You also have the Pro Power on board, so that means you can plug in different items and you can actually charge them while you're traveling if you need to. You have a nice power tailgate that has a tailgate step, and you also have box link inside, many other great features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood, get inside and out. This is a 3.5 liter V6 full hybrid engine. It has a 35 kilowatt hour motor that lives inside the special Ford 10-speed automatic transmission. It's a 4x4, and it also has a 1.5 liquid kilowatt hour liquid cooled battery that lives underneath the vehicle, and you recapture the energy through regenerative braking as well. It has many more features. We're going to have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. Both driver and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, all-weather mats on the floor. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, your gas cap release, high mount lights, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, tailgate release, and there's a running board and grab handle just to make it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your lane keeping cruise control, as well as volume, and then you have your menu and hands-free dialing. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start-stop button. You'll notice it says ready and you're hearing almost nothing, and that is because this is a full hybrid. So when you're in an idle position or you're about to be propelled, that's when the motor and the battery are at work. And then as you get going and you pick up speed, that's when the engine will kick in. So you have a 3.5 liter V6 engine, you have a 35 kilowatt hour motor, and you have a 1.5 liquid cooled kilowatt hour battery. And in our menu here we have My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center we have a little bit of a cubby up top. We've got our Pro Power generator mode that's on, and we also have our camera, so we can see what's happening out the back. This is the back bumper, and we have our center line, then green, yellow, red, and that is just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles. Now, I'm not in reverse, I'm still in park. I'm simply being able to have a view, and I can see where I am in space. Press this again, and that'll go back to my main menu. You'll notice that you have a side menu here telling us our eco behavior for acceleration, deceleration, and this is the energy that's being put back into the battery. And then our main screen, which is located here, and again, you can just touch on it for different things. You've got your owner's manuals. This is in your features, by the way. Towing, zone lighting, Pro Power on board, and driver assistance. We can go into audio, and you can choose different options in your sources. You touch on there, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And we have navigation. So the map will come up, you choose your destination, search a destination, whatever you want to do, and away you go. We can go into settings as well, and we're going to see different options there. There's your navigation again. You can change the look of the display. You can change the measurements. So you can go from Fahrenheit to Celsius and back again, kilometers to miles, so forth. So depending on where you're traveling, you might want to do that. You've got your vehicle hotspot, your updates, Ford Assistance, so forth. Lots of great features in here. Now, when we go in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera again. Now, we're actually in reverse right at the moment. And you can see the difference in the screen because you got your park hold there, and you've got your plus and minus, but you still got this great view. So if you wanted, let's just touch on the plus, we can see really close. So say you were hooking something up or wanted to see what's really going on right behind the bumper, you can do that. There we go. And we can go back. So I'm going to put us back into park for safety's sake. Volume and tuner, and then we've got our dual climate control. You've also got your heated seats, your AC, max AC, And then down below, you've got a USB-C, USB, and a little cubby here. And then off to the side is your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and you've got your 4x4 with locking differential and your drive mode. So as we dial through the drive mode, you're going to see this on your dash, and it's got different icons. So there's normal. and I'm turning right here just by turning the dial, tow haul, eco, and sport. Now we're gonna go the other way, slippery, and you notice they changed, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and then back around. We're just gonna go back to normal. That's where we are. So whether weather changes, road conditions change, just the way you wanna drive, you can adapt to that, get more or less control, more or less traction, and it's a great thing to do. You have an automatic select shifter, and if we want this to go down, we want a flat surface, we can do that. And you just press it again, it'll bring it right back up. You also have a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up, it's quite generous. And inside, you've got a little bin, you've got an outlet to plug in and connect. And then off to the side, you have your 120 volt, you have your 120 there. 2 glove compartments, lower one's locking, you release the other one from here, grab handle in the body, and then you have the auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. So that's kind of nice, get a little bit of light and air back there, and you're all set to go. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, you've got the black running board and the PowerBoost badging because this is a full hybrid. Body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, and the sport badging, which gives you the sport cloth as well as the center console. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate, and you have the LED light to the right. The backup camera is located just above the handle, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to bring that lift gate down, or tailgate I should say, all you have to do is double click your fob. It'll power it down for you. You've got tie downs in all 4 corners as well as box link. And this vehicle also has a tailgate step. And you'll notice off to the side that little yellow button that allows you to pull it out and make a handle, and then that makes it easier to get in and out. It gives you a little bit of stability. It's a little workhorse. It also has 2 measuring tapes, metric and imperial, and place to put clamps on the left and on the right. And then inside the box, you also have these outlets. So you can power up, plug in, and connect. There you go. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand, it's in the upright position, giving you more room on the floor, and you've got this nice all-weather mat. To bring the seat down, simply pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you've got this nice sport cloth material. As well, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, a couple of cup holders. You have your 12 volt located here, air vents. Down below, there's a USB-C and USB, as well as a 120 volt. And then you have a grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Backup sensors on the body colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.